Hello guys, my name is Felipe Marques. I'm a VJ and I live in Porto Alegre, the southernmost capital of Brazil. 7 days ago, the worst climate nightmare in the history of our state, our country, and most likely South America began. We are hit by heavy rains across the state, which caused devastation in several cities. Due to the geography of our state, waters travel unimaginable distance and destroy entire communities, leaving little more than rubble standing. More than half of our state was affected, and the impression is that we are in one of the worst scenarios that a disaster movie can portray. We are more than 1.5 million people affected. The entire state is involved by humanitarian aid, but we need help at a global level. I leave here our request for help to the entire community of VJs and visual artists. Below are the details of my global account, which is part of the American ACH system. I will report on what was purchased and display the corresponding invoices. Any help will be appreciated. The money will be used to buy flashlights, batteries, life jackets, and gasoline for the boats. Thank you to everyone who watched this video until the end. And here I leave you a message. Climate change is real and will affect all lives on our planet. Thank you very much.